Hey sunflowers! Welcome. Oh my god. Sorry. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, hey sunflowers! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today there is a new update in Royal High, and I'm very excited, and like he just said, hey sunflowers. As you see, normally we just talk in the phone. As you see, we talk and stuff, but today her phone is battery low, so we're gonna have to talk in the chat. So there is a new update. There is a new update. And let's go. I'm excited. Let's go dressing up. What is she gonna say? Okay. What is she gonna say? Okay, so there is a new update, and I'm very excited. Oh my gosh, she's so funny. Okay, so. Okay, there's a new update and I'm very excited, so let's go dressing up. And it's the ballroom entrance. Let's wear it because it's gonna look so pretty. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. And I think we can toggle it. Just transform to queen. That is so pretty. I'm gonna cry to death. Look at this. How is this so tall? This looks so pretty. I just said this looks so pretty, and she said this is so pretty. Is she reading my mind through this computer? What? Okay. So we look so pretty right now. Literally. So guys, ignore the echo. I'm in a quiet room, so yeah. She's very annoying. Sunflower, I think she's deaf. She keep ignoring me. Oh. Okay, I said no, I'm not deaf. And guess what? There is a color changer one. So I gotta try it out, literally. Let's try it out. So I know how to do it. If you don't know how to do it, so follow my lead. Go to 600 colors. If you see this red square, click that, and it's glowing. And then go to Infinity Palettes, and you can change the color in the Infinity Palettes. Just so pretty! What the heck? This is amazing. I am in love with the skirt. Don't be suspicious. Oh my god. Bubbles. Bubbles. How to make it glow. Get out of here, bubbles. It's glitching. I gotta reset my game now. Guys, Teresa 2 is ignoring me. Okay, this is not working as I thought so. I cannot move. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I am back. I think Aki is A-okay. But, I think I'm gonna just be oh my gosh, just make the ballroom entrance like not this color, because it's like white and it's not yellow, and as you guys know, I love yellow. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stop here. Let's say to ID. I think she is AFK, but I guess I'm gonna end this video myself. I guess with ID, but she's not gonna say anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And yeah, bye, sunflower.